Hello, hi, I'm Naomi from Mimiwraps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to carry your baby in a front carry using your Mimiwraps baby carrier. Our model for today will be Mila. Mila is 5 months old and she weighs about 6 kilos, so she's pretty small for a 5-month-old, right? So I'm going to show you in this video some tricks for newborns too, because they apply to her. All right, we ready? In your Mimiwraps baby carrier, you have wide shoulder straps, and then you have thinner waist straps. First thing that you're going to do is tie the waist straps around your waist. For a smaller baby, you'll fold over once in order to shorten the length of the baby carrier. And then you tie behind in a double knot. Now you get your baby. Hello, sweetheart. Ooh. So now you're going to place the baby at the height that you want. So in a kissable distance from you, but not too high so as they're not in your face. And then you're going to place the panel up over baby's back and up over your shoulders. You want to make sure that the shoulder straps aren't twisted. So we're going to be making an X on our backs. So now I take my hand and I reach across for the other shoulder strap and I pull tight. And then it goes over baby's leg. And then I pull the other one tight, and I want to make sure that they're not twisted, that it's nice and flat. And then, now at this point, go over baby's leg, and then underneath, and then we tie behind in a double knot. And then we're almost done, and then we're going to be ready to go out. Let's go on a walk. And then you can push up on baby's feet to get them in a better seated position. And now we are ready to go. Now I'm going to show you what you would do for a smaller baby that doesn't support their head yet. So I'm going to grab now, here we have our hood that comes with your carrier. So you'll just snap it on. And then you'll roll it up, place it behind your baby's neck for some added support. And you can also use your hood for shade, of course. So you'd bunch it up here, and then it goes over baby's head, and then you loop around the straps in order to get a little bit of shade. But you want to see, don't you? Yes. You can just snap off if you're not using it. And let's go. Where are we going? Let's go. Say bye.